Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to submit 1099 NEC to IRS step by step. Start by collecting every payee TIN, legal name, mailing address, and the total non-employee compensation amounts. Choose the correct Form 1099 NEC and confirm your business EIN before entering data. Verify each amount and double-check TINs to avoid penalties. Decide on e-file or paper filing based on how many forms you must submit. Collect the official Form 1099 NEC or a certified substitute, and be meticulous with box entries and decimals. Reconcile each contractor payment against your ledgers or accounting software to ensure totals match. Ensure recipient copies are sent promptly and retain proof of delivery. If you discover errors, prepare corrected forms quickly to minimize complications. Keep organized records for at least a few years in case of IRS inquiries. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more clear tax guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly in your fridge for busy tax days. They're great for organizing receipts or lunches during long filing sessions. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if it helps. Now let's get back to the video. Choose electronic filing with an IRS-approved transmitter when possible, because it reduces errors and gives confirmation receipts. If filing by paper, mail copy along with Form 1096 to the correct IRS address based on your location. Track submission confirmations or certified mail receipts to document timely filing. Address any rejections immediately and submit corrected forms without delay to limit penalties and ensure compliance.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.